Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Honeydukes. So these do have the pinholes and you'll see there's one right here. Now these can be tricky because they're so close together, like there's one here, 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 here. The Fizzing Whizzbees is supposed to be like the dot right here, so it is off a little bit, but I think it's still the Fizzing Whizzbees. We're about to find out. Most of them are pretty spot on, but I do have a couple that are off by probably like a ½ inch. So I don't know if that means it's like a rare. Ah, yes, it is the Fizzing Whizzbees. So let's get the rest of this plastic off. I don't know if they released the rares yet. I know last time they released them later, which I think is really stupid. I hate that they do that. And they are grayed out on here. So to me, that means they're not released. But let me know if you've seen them, because there they are. Here's the full checklist, and there's the Whizzbees. They look so cute.
It's good open.
Yeah, we'll look at those instructions here in a minute. So we have a box that we have to assemble, but that's adorable. This turns into like a really cute container to store stuff in.
It's gonna be like a candy holder.
Yeah, she's using it as a candy holder. So let's see what's in our sweets and treats. We have our mold. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, those are just adorable. And you got a little tray to put them in, it looks like.
I'm going for this one.
I love this color. Has some gold detailing on the front. I think the candy, yeah, the candy box, once we assemble it, will sit in there. She's ripping everything open. I think she found the resin.
Yep, I did it.
We have the tongs, which I won't be using.
Your nozzle.
And they did give us a precision cap for the resin. So here's our Honeydukes chocolate. Let's clean up and assemble. This is gonna be a really simple one. It's just a solid color. So we're gonna make a bunch of these probably. Only takes 5 to 10 minutes to cure. It tells you to flip over the mold, do another 5 to 10 minutes and take them out, assemble the box and put them in there. So, yeah, we'll see how many fit in there. I'll probably make like 2 trays before we try assembling the box. That's the part I'm most scared about probably. I don't like building things, even if it's popping together a box. I'll let you build the box then. Did you say get wrecked?
Yeah. Because I lagged on you.
So rude. Okay, let's open this. I think this is the first one that I got that isn't, just gonna slide it off, that isn't bent. The other ones were kind of wobbly bobbly. I'm gonna put it on there so I could transport it to my UV lamp, which I love so much. I'll link it below. It's one that's technically, I guess, for nails, but I like it because you don't have to sit there and hold it like you do with the flashlights. This stuff is a little stringy. I'm just putting a little dab in.
Brown. Ew. Might be poo.
It's not poop.
It is poop.
Silly goose.
No, it has to be poo. It has to be.
I have to take a toothpick and kind of direct it into the little cavities of it. They're very shallow, but yet, you know, the wings and the different pieces of it kind of jut out. So I'll look at it, eye level, make sure everything is like flush across and flat so that they look pretty and sit all nice. And then I will cure it, and then I'll show you it up close and then I'll pop them out. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Though they're so tiny, they definitely have detail to them. I love them. Very easy to pop out too. Just kind of bend it and they fall. They're real shallow, not very thick. Probably gonna have to make at least 2 more trays of these. You can see just how thin they are. But let's try to make that box real quick and see what that's like. I think this will be easy Because this essentially will just kind of pop together, I think.
I'm worried that might be
There we
hard
go,
for you.
like that. So, see, and this is the part they don't tell you, is in which order to fold these. I know this is like real common sense to some people. Girl, not me. Oh, I wonder if it's on that gray paper. Let's look. Gray paper was no help. It just shows you how to assemble the capsule. I think, I'm pretty sure like the little ones have to tuck into, right? Oh my gosh, I might have to go have my husband do this. He's done this before for something else we were building. And again, maybe common sense to some people, but not my brain.
For these little capsules, I think, I know.
Obviously the top
this would
is
be
easy.
really cool if you could make them like the mini one with the slugs, but they're big slugs. Like I think that would be
Giant
cool.
slugs?
Yeah,
Oh, that would be
to do
cool.
a big version.
Yeah.
It comes with big mold, so if you order the whole one, you can have one for a slug, and then you can have like the rest for holders, like candy holders.
Yes. So this box is way easier.
And Mom, that they don't.
Why couldn't they just make both ends of the plastic piece fold in like a typical box? To me, that would make sense. And then this goes in, and then I think this tucks behind like that, so it's up.
This candy looks gross.
Yeah, I think so.
Hard.
That sticks up.
This looks so gross.
Okay, so that's easy. But this, I'm gonna bring in reinforcements for, and then maybe explain it to you. I knew he would know instantly how to do it. So I'll try to explain it just in case you're like me and can't picture it. So the two short sides, those fold in first. Then the big piece goes in, and then the one that's kind of cut like this tucks last underneath that big piece. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Short sides go in, the big flap, the bigger piece goes over, the smaller piece that kind of has like little prongs or whatever you want to call it, slide into there to make the bottom. And again, maybe that's common sense to some of you. My brain doesn't comprehend those things.
I won't put it in.
You want to put the bees in? Okay.
You look gross.
They're so
no
cute.
Offense.
Oh, they're chocolate.
Yeah, but you can't look like poop at the beginning.
Bee-shaped poop, that would be cool.
It would be.
Also, I do have yellow resin. Sadly, I don't have black, but I could use like a little bit of brown maybe, and then make some yellow bees. That would be cool.
Yellow black beads.
So that was one tray.
Wait.
I'll probably need to make, I'm making my second tray now. I'll probably need to make 3, maybe 4. So I'll let you know how many. This is tray 1. This is very cute. And if the box is too complicated, just throw them in here. They could be on display with the little tongs next to it, like at candy shops where you pick it up and weigh it. That would be cute. Here we have tray number 2, adding that to the box. Not quite halfway yet, so we're gonna add tray number 3 to it. And that should bring us about halfway. And honestly, I think I could still make quite a bit of bees. It seems like there's a lot of resin in there.
Barely any.
Barely any.
I'll put them in.
Oh, sorry.
My
You
job.
spelled them.
So, someone.
And this, going back to this, I only showed like filling these a little bit. It's super easy. I'm just putting them in the middle, like a pretty decent dollop, and then I let it hover because it's kind of, stringy is not the right word, but maybe thick, so it'll get over your mold if you like drag it to the side.
It's so hard.
But I've just been filling the middle, and by the time I do the whole tray, it fills out really nicely. Now I say that, but this one looks like it needs just a touch. And there really hasn't, there was like 1 bubble out of 3 trays that I popped. Otherwise, pretty cool. You'll have to let me know which one you're looking forward to the most.
I'm probably for the jelly beans.
Jelly beans, I do have that one. I think I might do that one next. I went through and marked all the containers.
If you don't, I'm gonna fight you.
You're gonna fight me?
Just kidding.
Dang. She's mean to me.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding. She's not mean. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see, how much did it fill up? Where's your at,
Halfway.
sister?
Half.
Oh my gosh, it's right here. I thought it was way over by you. Yeah, that's just now halfway, and that was 3 trays, so it'll take approximately 6 trays to fill this all, so I'll keep plugging away. Okay, I made a mushroom. So here is batch 4, and then batch 5. Batch 6 is still curing. And I still think I can make more bees, honestly. I probably should stop because there's not going to be enough. I mean, that's full. I could fit more in there. I'd say 5.5 or 6 trays fit in here. How cute though, and you could turn them so they face the window. My battery just died, so I don't know what I was last saying, but essentially this is 5 full trays. You could probably do 5.5, possibly 6 in there, but it's basically full. So I'm gonna finish the tray I'm doing, and then we'll put them in here and see what that looks like. And yeah, I have so much resin that I use the leftover resin to make like mushrooms. So this one's like a cold brew with a lemon candle wax one. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing with these. I just think they're fun. And now I have all sorts of molds. So I might start doing bees and slugs too. We'll see. I made 4.5 more trays. It made quite a lot, that's for sure. So I think we could fit maybe these 4 in and then close it. That's almost perfect. So I'm gonna fold this over just like that. And then the box that we made, I'm going to put those in. Slides in pretty well. Fold those over. I think this goes in the back like that so it can stick up. And then this folds down and you could gently put it in there. How cute! I think the jelly bean container is going to be like this too, where you kind of have to build it, but I should know how to do it now. I love this, and I have all these extra beads and bees, not beads. Yeah, I could put some, I'm going to put them in here in the front. And then of course I have the mold so I can keep making more. So I think I normally rate these out of 10. I think they're all going to be like 9 or 10s out of 10 because I just love this series so much. It's so cool. But leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Which one's your favorite? Which one do you want to see next? I might be doing the jelly beans next, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.